The word might, to express possibility or uncertainty. Might be, might happen, might not. It might be raining later, so bring an umbrella. There might happen to be a delay in the delivery, and we might not be able to attend the event if it's too far. To suggest a hypothetical or conditional situation, in might have, might do, might choose. And she might have gone to the party if she wasn't so tired. He might do well if you practice a little more. They might choose to extend the deadline depending on the results, to indicate permission or allowance polite form. Might I, you might want. Might I ask a question before we proceed? You might want to check your email for updates. You might want to reconsider that decision. To show a possibility in the past with a have. It might have been, might have done, might have gone. It might have been a misunderstanding, let's clear it up. And he might have done the work earlier if he had more time. They might have gone to the cinema instead of staying home. To express a slight or low probability. Might happen, might seem, might work. It might happen if we're lucky, but I wouldn't bet on it. That idea might seem great, but there are risks involved. It might work, but we need to test it first.